Hey guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing a little mini review on the Dashing Diva Gloss Ultra Shine Gel Palette. I've been passing these by Walmart and I finally decided to pick it up and try it out because I've never tried out nail stickers, so I was interested in that. But I'm using the Blue Vixen kind and it comes with 34 strips and it also comes with a nail file already in it, but I did already also have like cuticle pushers, and then I have my own nail file and also cuticle trimmers that I'll be using. So this is what my nails look like right now. It's not even 1 week old and they're already this chipped, so I was like just ready to get rid of them and do another design or something because they were looking bad. But I want to say it's also partially my fault because I never used top coat or a base coat, so I mean, of course they're not gonna last that long without that, you know, right, am I right? But yeah, so right now I'm just removing the nail polish, and then I'm gonna go in with the cuticle pusher and just make sure that, you know, I get all the excess, you know, dead skin and cuticle whatnots pushed back so I can go in and then remove them with the cuticle remover. And then I'm just doing this to ensure that, you know, the nail stickers, you know, it lasts a long time, because I don't want it to have any lifting and just ruin the design. So that's what I'm doing right now. Alright, so now with me, you know, trimming my cuticles, I'm also going to be taking the cuticle trimmer, and then I have like a dry patch of dead skin on the side of my thumb, and I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that with the cuticle trimmers just so it can be, you know, nice and smooth. But then I'm going to be taking my own nail file and filing the nails down to the shape that I wanted, and I feel like I should have done this after I did the overlay of the nail, just because once I put, you know, the nail sticker on, I had to go back and file away like the excess nail sticker, and it didn't ruin the nail shape that I was going for, but it wasn't what I was looking for. So I feel like I should have done that afterwards. So now with the stickers, I'm just going to go ahead and measure out each one. Well, not first, but I'm starting with the pinky, and then I'm measuring out, you know, which one fit with my pinky. And I'm just laying that on top, and then I'm straightening it out and applying pressure just to make sure that it's nice and secure. And then I'm folding the edge or the end of it, and I'm going in with the nail file and just filing away at the excess sticker. And I didn't know this because I don't read the directions, but you see how I'm using like the gray side to remove the excess sticker? You're actually supposed to use the white side first to remove it, and then you go in with the gray side and smooth it all out. This is why you read directions first, because I'm doing it all wrong, and you know, now I know for next time. So now I'm just going to do the same thing that I did on the first one. I'm measuring it out to my nail and making sure that it fits, and then I'm just going to be removing it from the plastic strip, putting it on my nail, making sure, you know, that it does fit, and putting it securely on the nail, making sure that it's not gonna move. So I just press down on it, and then once I'm sure that it is nice and snug, I go ahead and fold down the end of the nail, and I'll go ahead and start filing away. And there's not really a method that I file this. I'm just filing it so that the excess nail sticker can come off. But like I said before, you do have to use the white side of the nail file for that. And as you can see, I'm doing it wrong. I'm using the gray side, which is not for that. The gray side is to smooth out the edges. Remember that. So now that I'm done with this sticker, if you look like on the edge of my nail. You can see where it didn't fully cover the whole nail bed. I don't really have a problem with that, but if you do, I mean, you might want to measure it out more carefully, but I was okay with that. And then for my middle finger, I'm doing another method just because I got tired of, you know, folding down the edge of the nail sticker. So for this one, I'm putting it down, and then I'm gonna go and take a nail clipper and cut off the excess nail strip. So then the remaining part is still the same. I'm just pressing it back down, making sure that it's secure, folding down the little bit that is left over, and then going ahead and filing that. Alright, so I'm just gonna speed up the remaining of the video, like where I'm putting the nail strips on, just because I'm using like the same two methods. It's just I'm pressing it down, folding it, and filing away the excess, and it's all basically just the same. So I'll just go ahead, stop talking in this portion, and then just put some background music because, you know, I think it's still interesting to watch, but, you know, I don't have to talk. So alright, so now that I'm done with the left side of my nail, I did have a problem with the index finger. Like, if you can see, the strip wasn't really smooth, and my nail also under it wasn't smooth either, and it was just, what is it called? Jagged? Ragged? I don't know, something like that. But it just wasn't smooth, and it was irritating me. So that's like the only nail out of all 10 of my nails that I had a problem with, and you know, I can live with it for $7, so it's okay. So this is how my nails turned out, and I love the color, I love the design of the middle finger and then the index finger. I think it's really cute. As you can see, some of the nail strips didn't cover the whole nail bed, but I don't have a problem with that. I'm okay with it. So after I was done with this, I did want to apply some cuticle oil to my nails, but I read that if I wanted to do that, I had to wait at least an hour. So I went ahead and put a timer for that, just because if you ended up using the cuticle oil before the hour, it wouldn't give the nail stickers a chance to adhere to your nail, and then it, you know, basically I think it would have removed it, because the way that you remove these on like the back of the instructions, it says that you can apply a drop of polish remover or cuticle oil. So I didn't want to take the chance for it to get ruined, so I just waited an hour, and then after that hour was up, I went ahead with my cuticle oil that is, I want to say it's by Sally Hansen, and I just applied it to my nails. So for $7, I think this was not bad, and I really like it. So I mean, I still love the salon because it's like you get to pamper yourself, but this is just like a quick easy fix to, you know, when you don't have time to go.